Here is the sequence as it was recorded.
The whole result is one of like jerking you around. The first thing you need to put in is just the general sound that's around, the ambience we talked about earlier. So I'd look around and I'll find in our banks of sound something that's right for the area, because I can hear what sound there is there. Got to check it's the right time of year, folks. So that one sounds about right. So I'm going to grab a bit of that.
Now, let's do some Foley.
Okay, so that's all the different layers that have been added. The ambience, the actual sounds of the animals, the ears flapping, the breathing. Now let's watch that sequence and see how that pulls you into this whole little drama that's developing in this particular scene.